Hey guys, we here at church doing a recording session tonight, back into all the COVID stuff, so not doing in-person meetings. So we're pre-recording the worship sets and then running church online on Sunday. So yeah, today just got the normal setup again, my trusty PRS, 22 fret custom 22 with a wide fat neck. I've had this for close to 20 years. An old iPad for my charts, got the Kemper profiler remote and then a Kemper profile at the back there, basically just loaded with all the Tone Junkie profiles, and I even got their worship performances pack, which has got a bunch of like full programmed effects and whatnot, and a simple set of Shure in-ears that I can then control my own mix with another app on the iPad there. So that's pretty much the gist of it. Cool guys, yeah, so it was kind of a last minute pivot for them doing 6 songs in a recording tonight. So I listened to them before we came to the recording, but I didn't have time to like work out every single part note for note. So there's a few famous or not, but rather well-known intros and hooks that I'll play. But for the rest of the time, I'm just gonna use those 4-2 voicings that we've covered to a great extent on the YouTube channel, as well as in the Worship Guitar Club and whatnot. And at the end of the day, you don't have to play the stuff note for note. You can just, once you know some handy chord shapes, you can just express yourself there. And that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. So it's going to be off the cuff, jamming on the songs and just following the chords on the charts there.
Killer bass player. See, I used to work for us.
Yes.
Now
Love
he's
that person.
working for church.
Love you guys. I'm still part of the family, by the way.
Killer singer, yeah.
Yeah.
Singer. What do you have to say, you know?
What I've got to say is that the lads are ready. I can't really see anything that's happening because the lights are running.
Yeah, it's all good. Are you ready for tonight? Are you ready for some mad
3 sets, yeah.
vocal trends? Sick.
Louis, what is your favorite song to sing on a Sunday morning?
Mine.
The song of the Lord, of course.
It's a good answer.
The weapon may be formed, but it won't prosper. When the darkness falls, it won't prevail. 'Cause the God I serve knows only how to triumph. My God will never fail. Come on, declare that. I know my God will never fail. Oh, I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. Oh, I'm gonna see a victory. Oh, I'm This is your promise, this is your truth, God. They sing there's power. There's power in the mighty name of Jesus. Every war he wages, he will win. Oh, I'm not backing down from any giant, 'cause I know how this story ends. Come on, declare wherever you are. Oh yes, I know how this story ends. I'm gonna see, oh I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. Oh, I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. I'm gonna see, oh, I'm gonna see a victory. Oh, I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. Yes, I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. Oh, all things will work together for those who love you, for those who love you. Hey. Oh, come on, let's declare this truth. Oh, you take what the enemy meant for evil and you turn it for good. You turn it for good. Oh, you take what the enemy meant for evil, God, you turn it for good. Yes, you turn it for good. Yes, it does every time. Oh, oh, you take what the enemy meant for evil and you turn it for good. Oh, yes, you turn it for good every time. Oh, you take what the enemy meant for evil, God, you turn it for good. Oh, you turn it for good. Hey! Oh, you take what the enemy meant for evil and you turn it for good. Yes, you turn it for good. Oh, you take what the enemy meant for evil and you turn it for good. Yes, you do. You turn it for good. Oh, I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. Oh, I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. I'm gonna see, oh, I'm gonna see a victory. Yes, I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle. Come on, declare this wherever you are.
So if you're looking for more detailed breakdowns, check out the Worship Guitar Club, where we offer deep dive tutorials with additional resources like PDF transcriptions and play along tracks. Plus, we supercharge all our video lessons with cutting edge technology, allowing you to see the tabs in real time alongside the video. We can loop sections, slow down parts, and add in fretboard view and much more. You're also getting access to the Worship Guitar Skills Lounge, where you can chat with myself, other WGS teachers, and worship guitarists across the globe, along with monthly live Q&A sessions. All this incredible value for a very low price. Check it out at worshipguitarclub.com.